Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Acuity Scheduling account, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you unlink or disconnect your Google Calendar from your Acuity Scheduling? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, a real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to unlink or remove your Google Calendar from Acuity settings anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, it's pretty common for you to switch over to different software providers, and maybe you want to go ahead and remove your Google Calendar. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Acuity Scheduling dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my account, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to unlink or remove your Google Calendar from Acuity, here on the left side, you're going to click here, Sync with Other Calendars. Okay, once you do that, you're going to see this menu here on the left, and you want to make sure you click on Google Calendar. Okay, once you do that, you should see your Google Calendar email right here. And in order to disable or remove this, scroll all the way to the bottom. Okay, once you scroll to the bottom, you're going to see this button, Disconnect Google Calendar Account. Go ahead and click on there. Next, you're going to see this pop up. Are you sure you want to disconnect Google Calendar integration? On OK. All right, quick second later, the page refreshes. Now you can see successfully disconnected integration. So now my Google Calendar is no longer going to share information with my Acuity Scheduling. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to unlink or remove your Google Calendar from Acuity Scheduling, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up, or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.